Hello friends! Today is a beautiful day. In this video, I want to share how to fix a broken valve stem. I used another damaged valve stem to replace it. I started unscrewing the valve stem and cutting the valve stem from the damaged valve. I sanded down the valve seat rubber to make it thinner. I sanded and repaired old mistakes. I put in the prepared valve stem. And next, I patch the old valve hole tube. I used the hammer handle to raise the valve stem. Tap gently to bring the valve stem to the outside. Tighten the bolts so that air does not escape. Check the valve body for air leaks. Check and reassemble it. The video I share is useful. Remember to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.